Lost keys? Paranoid about break-ins? Imagine locking your door with a tap or letting in the dog walker from your couch. Today, we're cracking open the top 5 smart locks that ditch keys, boost security, and turn your home into Fort Knox meets Jetsons level convenience. Spoiler, one of these even unlocks with your voice. Let's dive in. Number 1. Experience next-level security with the Schlage Encode. Smart Wi-Fi deadbolt, an ingenious blend of functionality and modern design. This premium smart lock comes with built-in Wi-Fi so you can lock or unlock your door from anywhere with no extra hub required. With the Schlage Home app, or Key by Amazon at your fingertips, create and manage up to 100 access codes for family, friends, or guests. Its capacitive touchscreen is fingerprint resistant and boasts effortless one-touch locking. Enjoy the convenience of hands-free voice commands through Alexa, advanced alarm technology to detect breaches, and a low battery alert system. Plus, installation is a breeze with its snap-and-stay design and simple screwdriver setup, all crafted in a classy satin nickel finish for stylish security. Number 2. Step into the future of door security with the Yamry Fingerprint Smart Knob, a 6-in-1 smart lock that offers versatility beyond compare. Unlock your door using fingerprint recognition, Bluetooth via its mobile app, personalized passcodes, key fobs, or even traditional mechanical keys. The added bonus? Voice unlock with Alexa integration when connected through a Wi-Fi gateway provides ultimate hands-free control. Installation is a snap. Simply replace your existing knob in just 10 minutes with a screwdriver, and its reversible design guarantees compatibility with both left and right-handed doors. Manage access remotely through the intuitive app, perfect for homeowners, Airbnb hosts, or property managers. Enjoy elevated convenience and a stylish, modern upgrade that brings advanced security right to your doorstep, while keeping your home effortlessly smart and secure. Number 3. Elevate your home's entrance with the Quickset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock, a sophisticated touchscreen deadbolt that redefines keyless entry. With built-in Wi-Fi and no hub required, control your lock from anywhere using the Quickset app. Enjoy intelligent geofencing that automatically unlocks your door as you approach, while the backlit touchscreen and passcode entry offer a sleek, futuristic look in a matte black finish. Share access codes effortlessly with up to 250 guests, family members, or temporary visitors via a secure platform, and receive instant notifications if any unusual activity occurs. Auto lock and intrusion detection features give you peace of mind every time you leave home, ensuring safety and convenience in a chic, modern package that's as stylish as it is secure. Number 4. Upgrade your home's entry system with the Yale Security Assure Lock 2, a smart, code-enabled deadbolt that offers key-free access and a wealth of intelligent features. This sleek lock allows you to choose from multiple unlocking options, including a robust Wi-Fi connected keypad, voice assistant integration, and the versatile Yale Access app available on smartphones or smartwatches. With the ability to share unlimited access codes for family, friends, and service personnel, security and convenience combine effortlessly. Its auto lock feature ensures you never have to worry about forgetting to secure your door, while optional auto unlock adds extra functionality when your hands are full. Designed for reliability and simplicity, this stylish black suede lock transforms everyday routines into a seamless, futuristic experience. Number 5. Discover ultimate security and convenience with the TEHO TE002. Fingerprint Door Lock, a highly advanced keypad deadbolt designed for speedy, smart access. Unlock your door in just 1 second with state-of-the-art fingerprint recognition technology, while the backlit keypad ensures clear visibility even in low light. Create unique temporary or permanent codes and allow one-time access for visitors, all managed seamlessly with a user-friendly interface. Enjoy additional peace of mind with features like auto lock, anti-peeping password, and a battery indicator alert to keep you informed. With a sturdy construction from stainless steel and zinc, this lock is easy to install in minutes using just a screwdriver, making it the perfect modern solution for a secure, stress-free home. Number 5. Discover ultimate security and convenience with the TEHO TE002. Fingerprint Door Lock, a highly advanced keypad deadbolt designed for speedy, smart access. Unlock your door in just 1 second with state-of-the-art fingerprint recognition technology, while the backlit keypad ensures clear visibility even in low light. Create unique temporary or permanent codes and allow one-time access for visitors, all managed seamlessly with a user-friendly interface. Enjoy additional peace of mind with features like auto lock, anti-peeping password, and a battery indicator alert to keep you informed. With a sturdy construction from stainless steel and zinc, this lock is easy to install in minutes using just a screwdriver, making it the perfect modern solution for a secure, stress-free home. Ready to ditch keys forever? Smash subscribe for more game-changing tech, hit the bell, and grab your favorite lock using the links below. Drop a comment, which locks your vibe? Until next time, stay secure, stay savvy, and keep living in the future. Ciao.